Hi everyone and welcome to another lecture of XHTML CSS. This lecture I'm going to talk about web hosting companies and templates. So as soon as you finish the files or create the files for your website, your XHTML code and CSS files, you should hire a company or a host company so you can put your website online. So everybody can see it and the website is available for everyone in the world. To do that, I have searched for the top 10 hosting companies so I can show you. And basically, the companies range between several different prices. It depends on the size or on the amount of files that your platform or your website has. So if you have a huge platform like Facebook or social network that you want to host, you need to hire a very good company or a hosting company, and they probably charge you a lot more than if you have, for example, a simple website about you or a blog or something like that. So here you can go to this page and you can check the top 10 web hosting services. And in the first place you have HostGator, which is one that I like very much and I use. So it's up to you to choose whatever you want, and you can check out that the prices are pretty similar. So you would pay $4.95 a month on HostGator for a simple hosting service package. So it's up to you to choose. They provide, every single one of them, a very good support service. So you can call them. They will help you out on your hosting. So that's how we host or how we put our website after we create it on the internet. Okay. Now it's also up to you to choose if you want to create templates from scratch, or you want to download already built templates so you can use them. And basically all the CSS and XHTML will be already created by programmers around the web, and you just have to complete or change whatever you want, but you just have to fill the content text. Okay? So if you go to website templates or templatemonster.com, this is a very common a very huge website where you can download already built templates for you. Okay, you have WordPress themes, Joomla templates, website templates, and in the next video or lecture I'm going to teach you how to download and implement a template on your website that you are creating. Okay, so please feel free to look around. You have thousands and thousands of templates that you can use for your website. So that's it. See you guys later. Bye.